I run amok, fuck a slut, rough and stuff, bustin' up, puffin' stuff. I rhyme daily, the lines make me amazing, or maybe just crazy, but I'm blazing, so I don't mind the hating. Just trying to get great and wake and bake 8 days straight. It's essay, my rhymes too clever, whatever the weather, whenever I'm better. Step to this, get wrecked, kid, I'm your fucking best bet, bitch. Believe it, bitch, kill the deceiving snitch, leave him bleeding bits. This is it, this is sick, smack your face with the brick, you'll be tripping quick. Your raps are shit, snap kick to this fat prick, fat lip, that's it. Bitches flashing tits, I'm knowing this. It's sick like my flow and shit, I'm owning this. Don't overdose on no dose, you're homo, no flow, go home. My mind's hazy while I'm blazing, I define the word crazy. Essential spitting, so listen. Dissing your shit and living quick. Annihilate, take away the fakers' gaze, make way for essay. Let me levitate, demonstrate, accelerate, interpretate, motivate the words of fate. I murder snakes, that disgrace, bringing back the facts with burner raps. First real track, don't try back chat cause you're fucking crap lad. Low key, grow streets, fucking own the beat.